In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font in Claude AI in just a few simple steps. If you've been using Claude and want to make the text easier to read, or you just want a different look and feel while you work, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Claude and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the bottom left corner of the page. You should see your profile icon or your initials there. This is where Claude keeps your account and display settings, so go ahead and click it. After you click your profile icon, a small menu will appear. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the full settings panel where you can adjust different parts of your Claude experience. Inside Settings, look for the Appearance section. Click on Appearance to open the display options. Here, Claude gives you one or more available font or layout choices depending on your account and interface version. Take a moment to review the options and select the one you want to use. As soon as you choose a new option, the change is applied automatically. You do not need to save anything manually, so once you've selected your preferred font or appearance setting, you can simply close settings and continue using Claude with the updated look. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can change the font or appearance in Claude AI and make your workspace feel more comfortable and personalized. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.